Hello guys, so we are opening a tool set. So let's I think I need to take off this.
Yes. Do you need help to take it off?
Probably this and this.
See, I'm here. There you go.
Yeah.
Is it that one? Is it how you do it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Careful.
And here's the other one on the other side.
This is hard.
One out.
Good job, huh? This one's like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, oh my gosh. Mommy, I think your flour messed it up.
Okay.
Eh. Cool. Now moving on to the tool.
Oh, that's cute. That's dirty.
No, it's because of Mommy's flour.
Oh. That makes more sense. Oh my gosh, that is so much. Ooh, you get little screws.
I don't know what that is. What the fuck is that?
To squish something down. No, I don't actually know.
No, it actually is.
No, it's not.
Oh, now I know what it is, see?
Alright.
Now I get a closer look of it.
What is it? Stop acting so
Because, so it's, let me just put it on the table.
Oh, this one ain't broken. It's nice. You get a lot. Wee. Your head needs to be fixed. Your brain needs to be fixed.
Ow. Hey, don't
Like a measurer.
Mommy, I'm so dizzy.
Good job, What are you doing? Oh.
That's what it's for.
Oh yeah?
Isn't that what it's for though?
Interesting.
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, that's to like measure how thick something
How thick?
is.
Oh, okay, got it now. So this one is gonna use this to put the
Because I've seen those like in those building videos, like with the like Asian
Yeah.
dude, like building something or whatever. I don't know.
yeah, I think so. I gotta wash this part. Thank you all so much for watching.
Wait, let me build something.
Cute.
Mommy, can I build something?
Wait, and these are cute. There we go.
What should I build? What should I build? Ooh, a different attachment. That's new.
Oh, I am painting.
We just walked earlier, so my whole family is paying.
There you go. It's squeaky clean. Oh, we need to wash the other, huh?
My chest hurts so bad.
I should. Oh, sorry. Do I need to wash this
It's the
thing?
universe that should be sorry right now.
What is this?
The universe should be sorry. I am.
Can I wash this one?
Yeah. This one. Okay.
Crystal, you're very naughty.
What is this for? I actually don't know. What should
I finished this.
Good?
Yeah. I know, I'm so naughty. But ow.
Wait, actually,
Ready to watch this one or just want to?
no,
Mommy, I don't know where to put this.
mommy. They're not
Sorry.
Can I put this in the trash, baby?
Yeah,
Oh,
I use that.
I use that a lot. I want to know where the fence is. Down here? Make sure the one that has blade is needs to be there. I separate the blade because it needs to get dry.
This?
I'm having a tap on my stomach. My stomach, my chest feels like it's on fire. Yeah. I need to stop drinking so much Reynolds juices and stuff. Because like when I drink too much, I feel like I'm gonna.
Same when you eat too much. Is it same when you eat too much?
It's a different blood. It feels like a different blood. Because like when I drink a lot, it's gonna be like a.
That was a good dry, y'all.
Careful. Gonna have to crawl on my way to the laundry. I mean the dishes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This.
That's so cute, meow.
Why are the boys' meows so cute?
Why the what?
Why are like the boys' meow so sassy and even cute or whatever?
Because you want to make it sound like.
Meow. But then the girl cats are like angry. And they're like meow or something. Only like the fat orange cats are like a light meow or like a dark meow, like a deep meow. Crystal, why do you like my feet so much?
Because it's thinking.
What?
He likes
I wash
thinking.
them every day. I clean them every day. What the fuck, Crystal? You see this? You see this little? Do you see this little? Do you? Bro, let me chill.
What is this? Oh my
Very
god.
naughty.
I just shot it.
Why is that making ice? We finished all the ice. This is like just like
That's how it feels relaxed.
Crystal, stop snipping my toe! Why are you snipping my ankle now? Why my ankle specifically? Why my right ankle out of all of them? It's always like my left ankle.
Yeah.
He's always snipping my left foot.
Here, you want grapes?
He likes left more than me. Crystal's like, oh, you're very naughty, Crystal. Crystal, stop rubbing your tail into his business.
Ah, my
Tail
feet.
into Richard's
My
business.
toes. I see like my
Crystal!
right.
Did you know that when we make waffle before, you're just gonna mix and then put in the refrigerator? We just cook it whenever someone's order. Ew. The mixture is just there, it's fine. It's Just put the picture.
I guess we're so naughty.
Ooh, the measure.
Oh. Yeah. That much like problem. Okay, here. Want me to do it? And then I'm gonna try something.
Crystal! That's it! When I put my thing up and down, Crystal like starts going like this.
Yeah.
Crystal's like this. He's like,
Love me, Sissy.
See, I'm trying to help you.
these whiskers are so long. Why is that? Why is that whisker so long? These whiskers are so short.
What are you complaining
I'm
about?
like, how are they moving like that? It's like when I try to touch it, it's like it moves away.
Yeah.
That's weird.
That's what the whisker is for.
It's like, what's the whiskers for then?
So that they can feel if there's like something
Oh, that's so cute.
on their way.
If there's like,
It's like this. It's like this. It's like.
if they're in like
Yeah.
danger.
Yeah. The other animals is using it for like if they're injured, if there's something.
No,
But there's no danger because
No.
Crystal's in our house.
Yeah, yeah.
You could not get danger in our
I want
house.
to see your nails. I want to see your nails. No. I want to see your nails.
Oh yeah, me and mommy just cut them.
No, I said I want to see your beads. Your little toe beads. I don't want to paint. I want to see your beads.
So he had black beans, but
They look so dry. There needs to be more moisturizer. Like, look at all the
put lotion.
Yes. Yes. I need to also, we should also put lotion on Orchard Leaves.
Yeah, he has.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
Crystal, stop trying.
But golden is have white beans.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like white.
Because he's dry and his beans is white.
Yeah, the white in the daughter, and then the beans.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh my gosh, your eyes are so blue.
It is blue.
Your eyes are so blue. They're like crystal. That's why your name is Crystal. Okay. Your eyes are so freaking adorable, bro.
It is beautiful.
Okay, now I'm gonna go get lotion.
Get a what?
Wait, no, I should put away the dishes first. No, wait, my hand.
You guys feel fresh now?
Yes.
Right.
So my chest hurts really bad.
Except your chest hurts.
Yes, really bad. It feels like someone punched me in the chest. And I feel really dizzy because of the heat. And also because I have low iron. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Look at this. She's like, did you get fresh? What the heck? Why are you doing that to me? I'm so offended. He gave you a bombastic side eye. He gave you a bombastic criminal offensive side eye.
Thank you for watching.
Hello.
Thank you for watching. See you all next time. Bye.
On the next, is that even your channel? It should be in there for your channel. You're not.